Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy using Ggives. Ggives is a fantastic feature within the Gcash app that lets you make purchases today and pay for them over time. It's designed to give you financial flexibility, offering various installment plans to fit your budget. You can use Ggives at a wide range of partner stores and online shops, making it super convenient for your everyday needs. To qualify for Ggives, there are a few simple requirements. First, you need to be a fully verified Gcash user. This means completing the verification process within the app. Second, maintaining a good transaction history with Gcash helps your eligibility. Lastly, always make sure your Gcash app is updated to its latest version to access all features, including Ggives.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Speaking of making things easy, like managing your Ggives payments, here's something else that simplifies life. Make meal prep a breeze with these amazing leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Using Ggives for your purchases is straightforward. When you're ready to pay at a participating merchant, simply select Ggives as your payment option. You'll then be prompted to choose your preferred installment term, which could be 3, 6, or even 12 months, depending on the purchase. Finally, confirm the transaction securely using your Gcash MPIN, and you're all set. Keeping track of your Ggives payments is crucial. You can easily monitor your payment schedule and upcoming due dates directly within the Ggives dashboard in your Gcash app. It's important to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees or penalties. If you find yourself with extra funds, you also have the option to pay off your installments early, which can save you money.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.